Welcome back to our How to Do series. Thanks again for your interest, attention and participation. Please click the like and subscribe buttons below, and be sure to share this video with your associates. This video shows part 2 of a Cemex TCL inspection of the D Mahadeo Sons plant in Couva. Our experts examined every inch of the facility and took extensive notes of all their observations. The process recommendation report filed following this inspection advised the facility manager to replace the silo ladder, and listed various holes and spaces that require patching around the bin bases and gates, to mitigate spillages.
Build up an aggregator around it, but you can see the clean it out because the stone could get inside the rotating motor.
The dust collector requires a complete overhaul, as this will create problems when transferring cement from the cement tanker to silo, causing great resistance for blowers, and permitting pollution of cement dust into the atmosphere.
Especially if a churn using 2 people. You probably make 2. If you get 20 feet, make 2 10 feet. So what we usually do, all the truck drives down in heavy stuff, and all the heavy stuff goes up at the bottom. Then they run off, and they stay like this. Yeah. So the water will run off. Right? Now the outlet for this one, you have to come up the hill too. This one the water flow is down. So the water flow is thing. So you gotta go up here and then you go run up here. So everything, what happens, all the slush and things, all the heavy stuff will settle at the bottom. Because what you don't want is to pollute the government drain. And ultimately that's the environment.
If a stranger has to come here, they must be escorted. There must be a company. Because you know that there. But total stranger won't know that there. They can walk along the edge and slip and fall. And that's it. So to prevent those other...
Click the link below to see part 3 of this video series, for more of our process recommendations at this site. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and continue to buy and recommend Cemex TCL products and services, for best results in all your construction projects.